Hello students, welcome to S2S classes. Okay, today आज हम आगे सिलेबस को बढ़ा रहे हैं क्लास टेंथ चैप्टर 6 triangles, but in this chapter one lecture has been done, lecture 1. Now today यानी आज lecture 2 on this chapter triangles. In this triangles we have done Thales theorem and introductions about the triangles and similar figures, because this chapter triangles main depend on that similar triangles. Here backbone of this triangle similar triangles. Okay, so now here today we have to do the next theorem, theorem 2. Theorem 1 we have done Thales theorem in first lecture. Now theorem number 2, converse of that Thales theorem. So converse of Thales theorem we have to do today. In this, what is the statement of converse? Converse means what was the given in Thales theorem that we have to prove, and what we have proved in Thales theorem that will be given. So what proved in the Thales theorem? Same ratio. One line parallel line was given. And proved that it divides into two sides in same ratio. But here a line divides in the same ratio given. Prove that line is parallel to the third side. So a statement, okay? Statement what? If a line divides any two sides, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle, okay, in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. So now proof of this, how can do a triangle let us suppose this is the triangle A, B, C. This is any triangle, okay? In this triangle, a line divides any two sides. So let us suppose ये line है कोई, this line divides two sides AB and AC in the same ratio. So means here that point if D and this point is E, it means it is given AD upon BD. What is given? AD upon BD is equal to AE upon CE. This same ratio given in figure triangle A, B, C. Okay, line this L divides the two sides AB and AC into same ratio, means this is given in the triangle ABC. Prove that this line is parallel to third side. So to prove what we have to prove? That this line DE parallel to third side is BC. These two sides A, B and AC divided by the line L in the same ratio. So third side is BC. So means this line L yani DE parallel to BC we have to prove. Okay? This is the converse of Thales theorem. Now how can prove construction? One construction we have done. What construction? Okay, let this line which we have to prove parallel, so we have to say okay, any other line from D point is parallel to BC. Let D DE dash, let DE is not parallel to BC but DE dash parallel to BC. ये हमने लेट किया कि जो प्रूव करना है पैरेलल DE वो पैरेलल नहीं है और कोई और पैरेलल है DE डैश. ओके, दिस वी हैव टेकन इन कंस्ट्रक्शन. तो प्रूफ in the proof according to construction DE dash parallel to BC as DE dash parallel BC by construction so जब एक by Thales theorem, if a line parallel to any one side, then it divides the other two sides into same ratio by Thales theorem. So if this parallel, then AD upon BD, so AD upon BD is equal AE dash upon CE dash, because DE dash parallel to BC. So E dash point divides the AC into ratio AE dash upon CE dash. So these ratio equal equation 1, but AD upon BD this ratio is given AE upon CE. Given it is given equation 2, so left hand equal, so right hand must be equal. Okay, but it is contradiction, you see. Okay, so from first and second, what we should write? From first and second, what we should write? कि राइट हैंड साइड इक्वल होनी चाहिए जब लेफ्ट हैंड दोनों इक्वल है. तो फ्रॉम फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड implies that AE dash upon CE dash is equal AE upon CE. बट फ्रॉम दिस ये इक्वल कब होंगे, ए पॉइंट ए सेम, ई डस ई एंड ई डस ई दोनों सेम पॉइंट हो तभी इक्वल होंगे. तो फ्रॉम दिस व्हाट वी गेट नाउ कि ई डैश पॉइंट कोइंसाइड टू ई. दिस implies E dash point E dash coincide यानी ओवरलैप टू पॉइंट E. Okay, hence our construction is wrong. Our supposition, let कहा था, our supposition is wrong. Our supposition is wrong. Therefore AE dash is not parallel to BC but AE parallel to BC, hence proved. Okay, understood this? Any point E dash will coincide to point E. Okay, so our supposition wrong, hence only DE parallel to BC done. So like this we can do this theorem, converse of Thales theorem. Now exercise 6.1 we can do from the NCERT book. Okay, these two theorems we have done, and the definitions and introduction of the similar triangles we have done. After that, this exercise 6.1 general exercise, fill in the blanks, we have to do. This is 6.1 exercise, question number 1. What is question 1? Fill in the blanks using the correct word. Fill in the blanks using the correct word given in brackets. जो ब्रैकेट में है उसको करेक्ट वर्ड को फिल करना. ऑल सर्कल्स आर, फर्स्ट पार्ट, all circles are congruent, similar. Okay, second is all squares are dash similar or congruent. तो similar. Okay, squares also similar. Okay, Next, third, all blank triangles are similar. Blank triangles are similar all blanks triangles are similar. Isosceles equilateral, all equilateral, all equilateral, ठीक है, EQUI equilateral, LATERAL, all equilateral triangles, okay, are equilateral triangles are similar. Now for two polygon of the fourth, two polygon of the same number of sides are similar. Two polygon, same number of sides. Same number of sides means जैसे polygon में all polygon कह रहा है, ठीक है. Their corresponding, first, if their corresponding angles are equal, are blank, तो blank में equal, A part में blank क्या आएगा, A part blank equal, all angles are equal, all angles are equal, and B part their corresponding sides are B part blank corresponding sides are blank, equal, proportional, proportional क्या आएगा, proportional, proportional, okay, sides are proportionally we know, ठीक है, then similar. Okay, now question number 2. NCERT book, simple fill in the blank type question. Now question number 2. What is question 2? Give two different examples of pair of similar triangles. Pair of similar figures, similar figure, दो कोई भी two different examples of pair of similar figure की कोई example जो similar figure हो, कोई भी दे सकते हैं सिमिलर फिगर. सीजर होगा, बड़ी छोटी सीजर सिमिलर होंगी. टू सीजर्स आर सिमिलर फिगर्स, ओके. और कोई दे दो, एनी टू मोबाइल्स आर सिमिलर, शेप एंड साइज ऑफ द टू मोबाइल्स, एक बिग है एक थोड़ा छोटा है, सिमिलर. और दे सकते हैं मैनी, ओके. टू ग्लास, एक छोटा ग्लास एक थोड़ा बड़ा ग्लास, सिमिलर हो जाएंगे, ओके. तो सिमिलर फिगर मीन्स सेम शेप बट साइज corresponding outer sides are proportionally, okay. So like this you can give. Now question number 3, state whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. Question 3. Two figure given, one is square 3 3 3, and each angle 90 degree. One figure is this, okay, and other figure it is 1.5 rhombus, all sides are equal, but angle this. So this and this two figures given. So asking state whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. अब देखिए सिमिलर हैं या नहीं है, ये देखिए आप एंगल इक्वल नहीं है, यहाँ 90 डिग्री यहाँ नहीं है, तो इक्वी एंगुलर होनी चाहिए दोनों फिगर, एंड देन कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड प्रोपोर्शनली, साइड तो चलो प्रोपोर्शनली है, बट एंगल आर नॉट इक्वल हेयर, सो नो, बिकॉज angles are not equal, corresponding angles, ठीक है, are not equal, so these quadrilateral are not similar. Not similar, ठीक है बेटा. Similar means equiangular must be there, and then corresponding sides proportionally. Both must be there. Then we can say, okay. Now it is clear now. Done. So take interest, watch, like and share the video to the others, contact, जिससे कि वो भी देखें, अपने सभी मित्रों को, फ्रेंड्स को, जितने भी आपके पास कॉन्टैक्ट है सब जगह भेजें और उनको शेयर करें और उनको गाइड करें कि वॉच द वीडियो फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग. इफ़ दे हैव नॉट ज्वाइन तो दे कैन सी, बिकॉज आई एम गिविंग द लिंक. मैं सभी वीडियो में पीछे वीडियो का लिंक दे रहा हूँ, उसके डिस्क्रिप्शंस में नीचे जाकर देख सकते हैं, खोलकर उसके इनसाइड में तो आप उसको ढूंढ सकते हैं, उसमें बैक सारे आपको मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है. और सब्सक्राइब करें चैनल को, उनको कहें सब्सक्राइब करें तो नोटिफिकेशन उनके पास आएगा, हर एक वीडियो देख सकते हैं. और चैनल जो है वो कहीं भी इंस्टाग्राम पर भी है और इस पर आपका वीडियो यूट्यूब पर भी है, किसी पर भी जहाँ भी आपका आपके पास कांटेक्ट है आपका, आप उसके चैनल को खोल सकते हैं और उसमें S2S मैथ्स क्लासेज आप लिखें तो वो आपको वीडियो मिल जाएंगी और आप उसको सब्सक्राइब करें तो सब ऑटोमेटिकली आपके पास आ जाएगा. थैंक यू. ओके, सेंड योर फीडबैक्स, डेफिनेटली I will see and I will try to remove your problems.